Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I teach IELTS here. Well guys, I'm quite serious today because I'm going to talk to you very seriously about a serious issue, about a serious matter, and that serious matter is your IELTS test. Okay, we're going to talk about your IELTS test. We are going to see where you guys have reached, where you want to reach, and how you can actually reach there. Well guys, you are at the moment on your journey to IELTS. Destination is good band score in IELTS. Your destination is ahead of you. Your destination is in front of you. Maybe it's far from you or it's near wherever you are now. As you know, Celine Dion says, near, far, wherever you are. So your target band, whether that target band is near or far, and wherever you are from your target band, you have to reach there. The first thing is, let me tell you guys, it is your internal mechanism. It is your internal world. It is your internal, rather, universe of your thoughts that truly matters. The way you think about yourself, the way you think about IELTS, the way you think about IELTS practice and all that, that truly makes difference in difference in your band score. So the main thing is actually you have to stay encouraged, you have to stay motivated. Let me tell you, all these are the steps, and the beauty is you are climbing the steps one by one. And the good news is whenever you climb one step, you are at a higher level than before. You climb another step, you are at a higher level than before. And these small steps are preparation for IELTS. One thing is for sure, if you struggle, if you do not give up, if you do not surrender, you are going to end up in your destination country. Full stop. The end. Do not consider any other option in life. Do not consider right now, if I get good band in IELTS, whenever you attach if with your goal, whenever you attach if with your target, whenever you attach if with an action, then that action reacts negatively, or the reaction of that action is actually quite disappointing and quite negative. Now for example, if you are thinking, if I get good band in IELTS, then I will do this, otherwise, if you have otherwise, in case of IELTS, if you have otherwise, then definitely you are not going to end up getting good band score in IELTS. So guys, IELTS must be one and only goal of your life at the moment. Right now, there should not be any if, there should not be any but, there should not be any otherwise. No ifs, no buts, and no otherwise, okay? Because you should focus straight away and all your attention should be on IELTS, and then you are going to go through this test. Let me tell you, IELTS is just a test of English language. It's not a qualification. And for majority of the students, IELTS has become a nightmare. I know that. Whether they are in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, even if the students are in America, Australia, Canada, IELTS has become a nightmare for many students, and it has become a very big problem. So my advice for you guys is just do IELTS. I mean, at the moment you are practicing IELTS, whenever you wake up in the morning, there should be a lot of stuff around you about IELTS. Will you guys believe I've got a complete pile of books, notes, handouts about IELTS, and whenever anybody sends me a new handout, a new book, some new notes about IELTS, I ask my colleague Yasin to print it out, and then we get it binded, and I've got a pile of notes and all that. Every day I look at my IELTS books, I go through IELTS books, and every week I refresh my IELTS knowledge by reading some new books on IELTS. So this is what you guys need to do. When you take your own responsibility, when you rise with the idea that I'll do IELTS, just you wait IELTS, I'll do it, I'll get my desired band score, then definitely IELTS is going to be easier. It does not mean that you are going to fake yourself. Faking yourself is very easy. I've seen students who are saying, oh, IELTS is not a big deal, I can easily crack it, I can get 7 band, and then they are surprised when they get less than 7, alright, and then they get to know, okay, so IELTS is this. So that's why I want you guys not to fake yourselves and make a foolproof plan and take your own responsibility. Where there is a will, there is a way, and you have to find your own way that leads to your desired band score, and then you are going to show others, look at me, I achieved my desired band in IELTS, I got my required bands in IELTS, and I have a story to share. Do you want to listen to my story? And then everybody will be willing to listen to your story. My student Tanveer Singh, who got wonderful band in IELTS, and after that many students from Indian Punjab requested me to give his mobile number so that they could contact him directly and they could ask him few questions or they could take help from him, and Tanveer Singh was happy to share his number, and I shared his number with many students. So this is how you guys need to go on. Again I tell you, if you have a will of 7 band, you will find a way of 7 band. Right now I don't see the will of 7 band in many students. I only see the will of 5 band, will of 5.5, will of 6 band, and they are getting the band they are getting, they are willing to get that. So once you have a will, if you have a will, you will find the way. So you should have a strong will of 8,777. There must be a strong will to achieve 8,777, and once you have a will, you will find a way. Okay, this way leads to 8,777. Now start your journey, embark on the journey, and there you are achieving 8,777, and then you are a tourist guide. You have a story to share with others how to achieve 8,777, and this is how you do things and you become popular, you become famous. So guys, please focus, stay focused. You guys don't have many options. Let me tell you, you don't have a lot of options. You don't have many options. Let me tell you another thing. If you are in 20s, like 21, 22, 23, this time, this decade of your life is extremely important. If you are in 30s, this decade of life is extremely important for your career. The 20s one is for your education. The 30s one is for your career. And if you are in 40s, this decade of your life is very important for your life itself. So 20s education, 30s career, and 40s your life. So guys, if you spend this time wisely, if you plan and execute a plan that leads you towards the achievement of your goal, then afterwards you're going to be happy. When you're going to shift from 20s to 30s, you will have a wonderful career. When you shift from 30s to 40s and then 30s to 40s, definitely you will enjoy wonderful life. And when you reach 40s to 50, there will be a lot of facilities and very nice lifestyle and company and people around you and all that. And all that is only possible right now. If you do things properly, if you plan this time, if you value this time, if you struggle, now is the time to struggle and then is the time to relax. Alright? So now is the time to struggle, work hard, achieve your goals, so that you actually, when you reach future, your goals should become your reality. Thank you very much indeed. I wish you all the best. Maybe this little video can be an eye-opener for you. And I know you guys are looking at me. Many of you have decided that this time is crucial. this time of my life, these circumstances of my life, this condition of my life is very crucial and I have to take action. And once you are going to take action in the right direction, you are going to land your destination very soon. That's all, guys. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Stay blessed, right? And stay tuned. Definitely through me, I can just open your eyes and I can just give you a wake-up call. This video is like an alarm clock. So many of you have decided now, Asad sir, we promise we are going to do something in life. We are not going to waste this precious decade of life in which we are now, and definitely we want to enjoy beautiful life. Thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment. And in your comment, you can share your experience. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub, wholeheartedly, truly, really, actually, seriously wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.